Hi everyone, Izzy from Izzy Heating and Air Conditioning. We are fixing this somewhat new system that someone installed for him. I'm not gonna say the name. It's on here on the unit, but you know, I'm not here for that. But they made a mess out of the duct system, out of the whole unit pretty much, and he is very, very uncomfortable. So he paid a lot of money to do that. Now, fortunately, he's paying me to fix everything. The good thing is that he's not gonna have to pay someone else to fix what we're doing for him. We're pretty much getting rid of the whole duct into upstairs, and we're gonna be fixing some of that, those ugly ducts like right there. But if you pay someone and you think the price is too low, it could be for a reason. And sometimes some companies will pay, will collect a lot of money and do this type of work, which is kind of like what this company did over here. Like I said, the name is on here, and it's a big company, but I'm not gonna say the name. So yeah, it's got to be really careful with the contractor you get to do something like this. Thousands of dollars is not $5, it's not $10. It's a lot of money, so invest it wisely. So that's it. Izzy Heating and Air Conditioning. Thank you guys.